Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullyan RV in beautiful, protected by the F-16 of the 148th Fighter Wing, Duluth, Minnesota. And today I want to show you a 2017 Leisure Traveler 24 TB, and this is the Unity. Walk around the outside, we'll show you the inside, and if I get a chance to show you the F-16s flying by, I will. Okay, beautiful paint job. I'll back up just a little bit so you can see that air conditioner up there, TV antenna. Nice big power awning, LED lights on this awning. There's your inverter right there. Lots of storage on this. Dualies. Here's your generator, 3600 LP generator. Sorry about that. Just made my camera unhappy. And you're a little dizzy probably. Got your ladder there. More storage. Propane hookup for the grill. Okay, a couple little nicks right here on the corner. There's your ladder. Nice backup camera right in the middle there. Lots of storage. Coach has just over 9,000 miles on it. Got some stabilizer jacks. I just wanted you to see those down. Lots of storage. Truma hot water heater. I've used those before. They are amazing. Frameless windows. Nice easy steps up in. A Mercedes-Benz diesel is going to give you great fuel economy. And Leisure Traveler out of Canada makes a great product. Got a step right here. Nice and aerodynamic. I just want to show off that cap for you a little bit. Doors open up nice and wide. Okay, now let's get inside. All your controls right as you come in. Nice light colored cabinets. Nice hangout spot for everybody when they get done hiking or whatever makes you happy. 52 hours on the generator. There's those stabilizer jacks. Ultra leather seats. Solid surface countertops. Lots of storage. Since this is a smaller unit, I just want to take the time and try to open up everything. Comes with a toaster, the mighty Keurig. Lots of storage. Okay, then we've got our microwave right here. Our gas electric freezer. Gas electric fridge. The all-important TV set. Nice big pantry. And then twin beds in the back here. They really do a nice job making use of all space. Got a TV. Lots of storage. Yeah, I'm just opening everything up just so you can see there's lots of room for everything you need to bring as you see the national parks or go up the North Shore or whatever your dream is. Okay. Then we've got our toilet, our sink in there. And then right over here, got your shower. Okay, and I'm 5'9", and I'm just going to answer the question. I got shoes on, so in case you're wondering. Okay, and I'm going to back up a little bit. Nice spot to change in here with that door closed. It's all private. Nice and small, so it's easy to drive around without a tow vehicle. It's going to give you great fuel economy with that Mercedes-Benz diesel. And we'll go out and get you one more shot of that outside. Well, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullyan RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Thanks to the 148th Fighter Squadron with the F-16s giving us a little noise in the beginning. But thanks for sticking with me. And if you're interested in this 2017 Leisure Traveler Unity 24TB, just call or text me. My name's Andy Johnson. You can reach me at 218-391-ANDY. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep on traveling.